Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. I have an unboxing from the Erica Rose design team. So this is my second box. These do not come with it. These are what I put my collections in. So let's get that out of the way. Alright, these I think are the exclusive stamps, so we'll go through that in a minute. I have 3 collections that you can pick up in Erica's shop. If you are having trouble with your orders, please reach out to Erica so that she can help you. So we've got a Simple Stories, a Bella Boulevard, and a Pink Fresh. So we're going to go through this one first. This is Spooky Nights by Simple Stories. Alright, let us go through this collection. So this is a smattering of what's to come. Then we have this fun one here. Oh, I can fussy cut those little houses and make a village. But I'm in love with the green. And that's Let's Get Spooky. This one is Gone Batty, so beautiful polka dot background. And then a very fun, let me scoot you guys in. So you can see what's going on here, right? And we've got One Cool Girl, Love Me a Plaid. But I like the little skeleton guys too. Booyah. So the little boos, and oh my god, so many fussy cut options, but so many background options too, with all the fun orange and black and white and lime green stars. Gonna cough. Excuse me, I've had this cough for a minute. Candy Inspectors, so we get some pumpkin faces and a beautiful chevron black and white background. Creep It Real Spiderwebs and orange. Spooktacular. That one has my heart, for real. And next up is tags, because you know Simple Stories loves to give us a tag one. So we've got this one here with all the fun icons, and then the random journaling bits. Then we've got journal elements. So we've got this one right here with all the fun little cut aparts, and on the back more icons to cut out. And then we have 3x4 element cards, some more cards to cut out, and a beautiful stripe. That makes my eyes go wonky, so we're going to leave it on this one right here. And then we have 4x4 elements, so we've got some 4x4s and some 2x2s, and on the back a beautiful polka dots. And 4x6 elements, but the back has my heart because it's the candy corns. And then we have a 12x12 sticker sheet. So that is going to be a really fun. Now I gotta have some Halloween photos. Does anybody have Halloween photos? Okay. We'll get that one. Next up is the Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0. Alright. So we've got Love You a Ton. Look at all the little elephants. And a beautiful polka dot. Then we have You're a Star. Look at that. And then the green tone-on-tone star on the back. And Be Brave. Look at all the cute little lions winking at you. Then another tone-on-tone. That's the one thing I love about Bella is one side is very, very, you know, usable for like your whatever you're doing. So this is watch out, little bitty cars and stuff. But the back side is tone-on-tone backgrounds. So it makes sense. I don't even know if I said that correctly, you guys. So then we've got borders. So you got all these fun little borders. And then the hearts, tone on tone. And none of this is going easy for me. Playdate. Oh, look at all these little fussy cut little pieces here. And that one is called Playdate. And then there's a beautiful grid. And then we have 1, 2, 3s. I don't have any small kids, but I can figure out how to make this work. This would be good for like a birthday too. Another little tone on tone with the squiggly lines. And then we have another borders one. So that's fun. We have this beautiful doohickey sticker sheet with the alpha. There is the puffy stickers called Playtime and a Bella Pop. I love the Bella Pops. So there is that one. Let me see, I just stick them in here. And they're all together. And it's because I get so many different collections that I want to keep them together, but I keep them on my cart. So I know which area is Erica's area. Now this has lots of fun stuff, so I would say this is a collection kit for her. So this is Sunshine on My Mind. This is Vacay Mode. This is Pink Fresh. So we got this beautiful tone on tone leaf, or not tone on tone, leaves with a white background. Beautiful, looks like a sunrise. We're in another room. Okay. Then next up is Sweetest Summer. Oh, fussy cut florals in my future. And then like a little basket weave. This one is Sun and Sand, so this is be a good tone. Like you could do tone on tone embellishing, but you could also just use your summer agenda, because you know that's probably what we're gonna do there. Next up is Golden Hour. Lots of fussy cut stuff in words. And that beautiful blue print. This is called Off the Grid. Oh, look at all those tickets to be cut. I went to Germany in August, so I guess I could use that. And then a nice little stripe. Then we have Go Outside, another beautiful stripe. I love the palette. Oh, palm trees. I don't have any palm trees in my future. Sun and Fun, so beautiful little fruities. And a gorgeous pale pink plaid. Poolside, so lots of fun little words and a pool color, and then another glorious stripe and a very bright yellow. And then we have Paradise Found, so it's got like an ombre effect going in the back there with those beautiful leaves. And then a fun little pattern. Lazy Days, another floral. And a fun little geometric pattern. And then Love This Day, some more leafy bits. And then a fun grid with like, you know, fun stuff there. Oh, dog's gonna bark. Then you get half of, you don't. I got half of a 6x6 paper pad. So we got that pattern, some more cut aparts, palm trees, the stripe, plaid, the fruit, the yellow stripe, the pool words, the geometric pattern, more flowers, this pattern with the leaves. So many fun things, smaller tickets to cut out. Ooh, and that's a new one. I like that one. I love you always. Oh. And then we have all of these very, very fun ephemera. So kind of leave that right there for you guys to look at that. And we have the cardstock stickers, frame, tags, more frames. Loving that. And as always, a beautiful alpha, the puffy alpha stickers. So that is fun. And then we have the puffy stickers. Ooh, a mini puffy alpha. So we got the blues, yellows, and greens. And then we've got the pinks, corals. Pink and coral, actually. I like that one better. I like that color palette. And then we have the floral ephemera. So we'll go ahead and put this up here. And we've got some enamel dots. So that is going to be very, very fun to work with. Love me some pink brush. Okay. Has anybody heard anything on Pink Fresh? The last I heard that they were pausing. Alright, then we've got this beautiful black and white tissue paper. I want to be able to say that, but I just don't think I'm going to be able to, but I can. See that like this. Because this will come in handy to use on the layout, right? Darn tootin' it will. Okay. But I want that sticker. Anyway. Excuse me, Erica's exclusive stamps. You can pick this all up at ericarosecreates.com. This one is a book one. Does it have a name? Nope. But it's got fall reads, cozy book nook. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers and Shirley quote. Fall into reading, autumn reading list, coffee and books, booked for the weekend, the fall book list, and then a little book date. Thriller, mystery, ghost, story, horror, cozy. Read all the books, book babe. Once Upon a Midnight Dreary. Ooh, blanket coffee book read. Snuggle up with a good book, fall fiction reads, and a little heart and a leaf and the little coffee with the book that says read. And we got another one here that's all about the fall. This one is Leafing Summer Behind. I love that. Fall colors, fallish, autumn vibes, fall days. Fall is my favorite. I love fall most of all. Happy fall. I love fall. Crisp air. Boots, scarf, blanket, sweater. Fall is in the air, and then fall. You get some leaves. You get the little acorn with fall in it. More leaves, a little leaf border. Another leaf, some hearts. This one looks like a leaf, and then this leaf with the hearts in it. Acorns. Ooh, I love them. Let's zoom in so you don't get that big old glare. Whoa. Okay. And then a third fall one. Pumpkin spice, fall brew, a hug and a mug. Hello, fall. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Fall is in the air. Falling leaves, weather. Autumn is my favorite color. Feels like fall. I love fall most of all. Gourd vibes. Changing color, fall leaves. We're actually going to South Dakota in October, and that's when like the leaves start to change. So this is going to be fun. Fall days are my favorite days. Stay cozy. Pumpkin patch vibes. Crisp air, don't care. The little heart with the stitch, the little pumpkin, the little sock hat, more pumpkins. How cute are those three fall stamps? Loving them. And then she's got some Halloween releases as well. Magic, Trick or Treat, Costume, The Witching Hour, Happy Haunting, Eek, Pumpkin Carving, Wicked, Haunted House, Scary Movie, Boo Hoo, October 31st, Ghost Stories, Hocus Pocus, Happy Halloween, Seriously Spooky, Fright Night, The Boo Crew, Something Wicked, This Way Comes. Okay. I want candy. I like that. And then the last one is another Halloween. It's got this fun little stitch line. Oh, these also have like the little kitty. That's pretty much it. Everything else had words on it. I like the spider web. Happy Haunting, the stitch line, some bats, Halloween vibes, a little pumpkin face. Hey, Boo. I love the ghosty. Look at him. Another pumpkin that you could put the face on, a star, trick or treat, spider with a web, magic, something wicked, this way comes, the poison, spooky, scary, haunting, ghost, creepy, witch's brew, vampires, werewolves, zombies, oh my, a fun little mixed media looking star, candy haul, and Halloween costume. And that's going to do it for the haul today, you guys. So check out the shop all on ericarosecreates.com, and I will see you later to start creating with some of these fabulous items. Bye.